Good morning, students. So, regression equation. Today we are going to discuss with the the same method, but in the first method we have discussed in a table form. In second method, directly we have to apply the equations. Okay, once you see this question mark, 12 and 13 are same. So I am going to explain the 13th question. Two variable gave the following data he has given. So, but here a little bit of parenthesis mistake ma. X bar nothing but mean is 20, y bar 15, dou x 4, dou y 3 means standard deviation x 4, standard deviation is 3, y is 3, and coefficient of correlation r is plus or minus 0.7. Obtain two regression equations and find the most value of y when x is equal to 24. Even here we have to find the y value when x is equal to 24. Okay, so two regression equations we have to find and y value we have to find. Okay, Seema. So x bar, y bar, r nothing but dou x, dou y and r he has given. Okay na. So two regression equations we have to find. First one, regression equation of x on y. So x minus x bar is equal to r dou x by dou y into y minus y bar. R dou x by dou y into y minus y bar. Okay, this is the first equation. So x minus x bar is how much? 20. Just we are substituting the values in this equation. Okay. Next, r is equal to how much? 0.7. Dou x, nothing but standard deviation x is how much? 4, and standard deviation y is 3 into y minus y bar is how much? 15. Listen carefully. Okay. Next, x minus 20 is equal to 0.7. 4 by 3 is equal to 1.33, and y minus 15 as it is I have divided here 4 by 3. Next, x minus 20 is equal to multiply 0.7 into 1.33, multiply it. Okay. So 0.7 into 1.33 is how much? 0.9331, and y minus 15. Okay, as it is I have taken. Next, x minus 20 is equal to, now I have multiplied this. This is in the form of a into b minus c. Okay, so now multiply it. 0.9331 by, next 0.9331 into 15. So minus is there, here minus you will be getting 0.9331 into 15 is how much? 13.966. Okay, next x is equal to 0.9331y minus 13.966. This minus 20 I have brought this side, so it will become a plus 20. After that, x is equal to 0.9331y plus 20 minus 13.966. How much you got here? 6 mark. Okay, 20 minus 13.966. Okay, point, if you are getting any difference in point, it doesn't matter, but main answer should be there over. Okay, next, second equation. Again, second equation we have to calculate regression equation of y on x. Y minus y bar is equal to r dou y by dou x into x minus x bar. So y minus y bar is how much? 15. R is 0.7. Dou y 3. Dou x 4, x minus 20, x bar is how much? 20. Now again same thing, y minus 15 is equal to 0.7, 3 divided by 4 is how much? 0.75, x minus 20. So y minus 15 is equal to 0.7 into 0.75, how much? 0.525. So x minus 20. Next, y minus 15 is equal to, now multiply it, 0.525x minus 0.525 into 20. Next, y minus 15 is equal to 0.525x minus 0.525 into 20 is how much? 10.5. Now bring this 15 this side. So y is equal to 0.525x minus 10.5 minus 15 you bring this side, you will be getting a plus 15. Next, y is equal to 0.525 into 15 minus 10.5. So it will be 4.5. Why? Because 15 minus 10.5 is almost 4. This is second equation. Okay, two equations we got here. Next, coming to the next, what he has asked, the most value of y when x is 24. So what he has given, if x is 24, y value is how much he is asking. Then what we have to do, we have to substitute that x value in the equation, in this equation. Y minus y bar is equal to r dou y by dou x into x minus x bar. Same process what we have done here. Again same thing we have to do. Finally here we have to substitute the x value. ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలమ్మా, సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్. ఇక్కడ నేను ఏదైతే రిగ్రెషన్ ఈక్వేషన్ y on x అయితే చెప్పినో, హియర్ ద రిగ్రెషన్ ఈక్వేషన్ విచ్ ఐ హావ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఆన్ y on x, సేమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ we have to do. And finally here x, in this x what we have to do, we have to substitute this 24. So after substituting 24, Now what you have to do, you have to multiply it. 0.525 into 24, so 12.6 plus 4.5. So y is equal to how much? 12.6 plus 4.5 is 17.1. So this is second method. Nothing but same equations itself, but what directly we are substituting over here. So do this 12th question ma. 12th question. Mean in a correlation study, the following values are obtained. He has given mean, he has given standard deviation, he has given coefficient of correlation means R. This is x bar, this is y bar, this is rho x, this is rho y, and this is R. What you have to do, you have to calculate the two regression equations. So do it. After doing this 13th one, next do the 12th one. After that, see the 14th question now. The correlation coefficient between the variables x on y is 0.60 means R. R is how much here? 0.60. If dou x is 1.5 and dou y is 2.0 and x bar, this is x bar ma 10 and y bar is 20. Find two regression lines means two regression equations you have to find. Y on x you have to find, x on y you have to find. 14th. After 14th, next do the 16th sum. 16th sum. 15th లో ఇక్కడ స్టాండర్డ్ డివియేషన్ మిస్టేక్స్ ఉన్నాయేమో ఇక్కడ. సో నేను నెక్స్ట్ వెరిఫై చేసి ఇస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ 16th చేయండి. గివెన్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ డేటా అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ బార్ ఈస్ 36, వై బార్ ఈస్ 85, స్టాండర్డ్ డివియేషన్ డో ఎక్స్ ఈస్ 11, డో వై ఈస్ 8 and r is 0.66. Find two regression equation. Find the regression equation of x on y, he has said. X on y you have to calculate and estimate the value of x when y is 60. Here what he has given, y value he has given, you have to find the x value. Means x on y equation you have to do. జాగ్రత్త వినండి అమ్మా. మనకి y వాల్యూ ఇచ్చిండు, x వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. అంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి, ఇక్కడ x on y ఈక్వేషన్ చేస్తాం కదా, అక్కడ ఈ y వాల్యూని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా. సో ఏది ఉన్నా డౌట్స్ అన్ని సమ్స్ చేయండి. ఇంకొకటి విత్ ఇన్ 4 లోపల పెట్టండి అమ్మా. తర్వాత పెడితే నేను యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయను. ఓకేనా.